Used to
No,
keep
not
it
me.
cool.
I managed
Used
to lose an
be a
entire
fool.
dragon.
All about the bouncing master.
Ow!
Watch it on
Alright,
the news.
let's
What
head
you
back
gonna
to the
do?
woods and see if
I
we
could
can
hit
find it.
refresh and forget. Used to keep it cool.
No, that doesn't work out.
Isn't that right, bud?
You do know it's not a chew toy, don't you?
Oh,
Should I keep it
Da-da-da,
light?
we're
Stay
dead.
out of the fight. No one's gonna
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
listen
whoa.
to
Where do you
me.
think you're going?
If I write a song, preaching
Am
what
I
is
not
wrong,
enough?
will they let me sing on TV?
I think that's it.
Should I keep it light?
Wait, you're acting weird. Well, weirder.
Right.
Fire when ready.
Way up we go.
It'll be fine.
Way up, oh no. We gon' burn the whole house down. Watch me standing in line. You're only serving lies.
What the? What are you doing here? Come on.
Why would you give it that functionality? It's what's inside that he can't stand.
Thank you for summing that up.
Used to let it go.
What are you looking at?
Walk into the show, gawking at the truth. Just leave. Too good to be truthful.
Hey,
I'm
bud,
in a
you wanna
room full of
do something here,
entertainers
or-
and thieves.
Oh, I know a demon when I see one. No human legs on that steady.
Dragons.
Way up we go. Been up and down. Way up, oh no. We gon' burn the whole house down. Watch me standing in line. You're only serving lies. You got something to hide. We gon' burn the whole house down.
My wait so I can.
We gon' burn the whole house down.
No thanks. I'm good.